Soldering mistake number 8 is the incorrect placement of the flame. Whenever soldering copper pipe, always use the inner cone tip of the flame. However, never place the inner cone tip of the flame on the pipe, on the joint, or on the ends of the fitting. Instead, always keep it focused on the center of the fitting and keep it pointing straight into the fitting. Do not point the flame on an angle toward the ends of the fitting. The reason for this is the solder will be drawn toward the hottest area, so when the solder flows into the joint, the solder will be pulled down into the fitting. Also, whenever soldering a straight union fitting on a horizontal run, always place the flame centered on the bottom of the fitting. This will take advantage of heat naturally rising and help spread the heat more evenly. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now. Okay, Sparky, wait.